Lençóis Maranhenses National Park, Brazil. Lençóis Maranhenses National Park in northeastern Brazil is one of the most unique landscapes on Earth, resembling an otherworldly blend of sand and water. Despite its desert-like appearance, the park receives substantial rainfall, filling valleys between the white dunes with freshwater lagoons during the rainy season. These turquoise lagoons, visible from June to September, contrast against the rolling dunes, creating a visual spectacle that feels like a dream. What makes Lençóis Maranhenses so extraordinary is the way it transforms seasonally. When the lagoons form, the landscape becomes a surreal mix of white sand and clear blue water, appearing like a desert dotted with oases. Visitors can explore by foot on guided treks or enjoy swimming in the naturally warm lagoons. Each year, the lagoons vary in shape and size depending on the shifting sands and rainfall, ensuring a unique experience with every visit. In addition to its beauty, Lençóis Maranhenses supports diverse wildlife. Fish appear in the lagoons during the wet season, and the surrounding dunes are home to reptiles and birds adapted to the harsh environment. The park's isolation from major cities helps preserve its pristine condition, making it an ideal escape for those seeking solitude and adventure in an unspoiled setting. Reaching Lençóis Maranhenses takes effort, as it's accessible only by small planes, boats, or off-road vehicles. However, the journey rewards visitors with an unforgettable experience. The striking contrast of sand and water, combined with the park's tranquility, makes Lençóis Maranhenses one of Brazil's most remarkable natural wonders. Visitors can also explore nearby fishing villages where local culture blends seamlessly with the surreal landscape.